Alright, watching ABC 7 News.
Of a winter snowstorm, but for the city to actually showcase its new snowplow tracking software, something that
it finally snowed in Chicago area, around my area, because it's been rough, because this winter, guys, it's been like very warm and stuff, but I'm just going to show you the snow. It's nighttime. I remember making a snow video last year as well, and I remember, let me put on just some slippers so I can go outside. Hang on, guys, look at the wall for a sec. But remember, I made one last year and then I deleted it, but it has not snowed in a while. Now it finally has snowed and been cool. Chicago has not had a snowstorm this winter at all. Maybe a mini snowstorm, but as you can see, it's fucking snowing, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, sorry guys, I had those for slippers, and instead I just wanted to put on a different pair of shoes. But as you can see, it's snowing. You can probably see all that snow falling. It's pretty cool. My apartment building. Yeah, I remember I made a snow video last year, but like on December 10th, 2010. I have a really good memory, guys, and I just deleted that for some reason. But yeah, finally we're showing some winter weather here in the Chicagoland. My neighbors built a little path, so they can walk. We'll probably be doing. I remember last year in the blizzard of 2011. I remember me and my friend Alex, we went to shovel this guy's house, like around a house like that away. But we got $25. We split it and got a pizza. But yeah, finally Chicago's showing some winter weather, and it's pretty cold out here too. I mean, all I'm wearing is like a long shirt, and I'm not wearing a jacket. I'm wearing PJ pants too, but yeah. But yeah, some people still have their Christmas lights up. Probably didn't get to see Christmas lights and snow at the same time at all this winter, so I guess they're keeping it because they want to see Christmas lights and snow. I don't blame them. I mean, it didn't snow at all. It was not a white Christmas this year. But yeah. And yeah, guys, this is winter, and yeah, that's it for this video, guys, and I'm gonna be shoveling, and yeah. But as you can see, guys, sorry I had to delete another video, but and as you can see, guys, yeah, I think it's finally snowing. And as you can see, I'm a weather guy. I like weather. As you can see, I have all those thunderstorm videos, which I will be recording more. Once next spring and summer comes, I'm going to be recording more thunderstorms. And yeah. So tell me, guys, what do you guys do when there's snow? Sorry, I got mixed up with the word. But what do you guys like doing when there's snow? And I heard in Chicago, hopefully we have another blizzard. I heard Chicago might have another blizzard. Hopefully it does. Hopefully we do. I heard this winter in Chicago is gonna be one of the worst. So, yeah. And so, if you guys have snow days and stuff, and you don't just have to like be in Chicago, this is for everybody. But if you have snow days, what do you guys plan on doing for snow days? Do you like playing in the snow? Do you like shoveling? And yeah, it's pretty cold out here, but yeah, there's a lot of snow coming from that way. Yep, I have all those thunderstorm videos, and now I have a snow video. I had one last year, like I said, but I deleted it. I don't know why. I should have kept it, but I don't know. But yeah, please subscribe and please like this video, and I'm just gonna take a little walk like I did on the way down. I'm probably gonna go and yeah. Bye guys. Please subscribe and yeah. And like this video. Haters, don't bother, like I say, don't bother haters. And yeah. Bye guys. Peace out. Rami was being annoying to everybody, and then they're like, shut the fuck up, you fat ass. No, don't talk to me.